Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear two hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. Now once you're here, you will have to tap on this three bar over here and just tap on Avatar Editor. And so if you are on mobile, you have to enable desktop mode from here. Double tap on the tap on double A and enable the desktop mode. If you are on Android mobile, you have to tap on three dot to enable desktop website. Now once you're here guys, you just need to go to head and body and go to here. Now you can see that I have already equipped two hairs. So how did I do that? You just need to uh, if I unselect the one of the hair and trying to select again, you can see it doesn't work. So you have to select two hairs on Roblox. You have to hold a new hair, copy the link address, just open a new tab from here and just paste your link address here and copy the asset ID from here, just the numerical value from which is the asset ID. Just tap on it and select it and copy. Once you copy, just go back to avatar page and here you have to tap on this advanced link and just tap on this asset ID, blank asset ID, and paste your asset ID and just tap on this save button and again save, and your hair will be selected. Both hair will be selected. That's how you can select or wear multiple two hairs. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.